Hello, welcome to YouPlantTube channel.
Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to my gardening project, where I'm going to show you how to grow delicious leeks from seeds. Today, we'll kick things off with the first steps in this exciting journey. Our gardening adventure began on February 13th, and the first step was preparing the perfect soil mix. Here, you can see me blending different types of soil with homemade organic compost. I also added crushed eggshells into the mix. These eggshells not only provide essential nutrients, but also help with soil structure. It's all about creating the ideal environment for our leeks to thrive. To ensure proper drainage, I'm using a square polystyrene container that comes equipped with drainage holes. Good drainage is key to keeping our leeks healthy. With our soil mix ready, it's time to plant our leek seeds. Take a look at these tiny wonders as I evenly sprinkle them onto the prepared soil. Remember, when planting leek seeds, spacing and depth are not crucial if you plan to transplant them into other locations. Here I can be seen sprinkling another thin layer of soil to cover the seeds. After covering the seeds, I give the top layer of soil a light tap, as to remove any air pockets. And finally, remember to give your seeds a good watering. In this situation, it is best to try to sprinkle the water as not to disturb the seeds that we have planted. After planting the leek seeds, I've set up a special germination environment to give our little seeds the best start. I've covered the polystyrene container with a see-through nylon. This clever trick helps to create a mini greenhouse effect, trapping moisture and warmth inside, which is perfect for seed germination. It's important to remember that patience is key when it comes to gardening. After setting up our germination environment, we'll need to wait for the magic to happen. Regularly check the container, making sure the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. You'll be amazed as you start to see the first signs of life. Just 12 days after we planted those tiny seeds, we have our first signs of germination, and it's such a rewarding sight to behold. Those little green sprouts breaking through the soil are the promise of future leeks. Now that our leek seedlings have made their debut, it's crucial to continue providing the right care. These delicate seedlings require our attention and care. As our leek seedlings continue to thrive, it's time to prepare their final destination, a raised bed container. This is where our leeks will flourish and reach their full potential. One of nature's best garden helpers, earthworms. These little creatures play a crucial role in soil enrichment. Worms help aerate the soil, break down organic matter, and create nutrient-rich castings that are like gold for our plants. To give our leeks the best possible growing conditions, I'm amending the soil with some organic matter. This will provide them with the essential nutrients they need. Once again, I can be seen here adding crushed eggshells, with a high level of calcium being very beneficial to the plants. Here I can be seen trying to remove the seedlings with the soil, while trying to keep the soil intact, by lightly tapping the back end of the container, while the container is placed on its side. Placing my hand in front of the container, to slowly remove the content of the container, so as not to damage the roots. All good, no damage to the leeks as a result of removing them from their container. At this stage, I use my fingers to carefully untangle the roots from the soil, by slowly shaking off the soil, thus leaving us with the seedling with its roots intact. We need to make a hole big enough in the soil now that we are ready to transplant them to their final destination. You can use any method you like to puncture the soil to insert the leeks into the soil, at least 60% of the complete seedling inserted. Insert the seedling into the hole, roots first. Don't worry too much if all of the roots do not end up at the bottom of the container. They will find their way once they start growing. You don't need to fill in the holes with soil that we made for the seedlings. The leeks will eventually fill that hole as they grow. Of course, it is necessary to give them a thorough watering to start them off on their journey. Water around the edges and the sides of the container first, and then sprinkle water in the center of the container would be advisable. Now that the hard work has been done, all we have to do is sit back and watch the amazing growth day by day. In this image, you can see that I have added a net for insurance and protection from unwanted visitors, such as cats or birds. A week has gone by and all is going according to plan. Another week goes by and all is good apart from some unwanted weeds that have started to grow, which can easily be plucked out. Moving on from April to May, I found the time to remove most of the weeds. 14th of May. Moving on to another week and these leeks have established themselves, all is good. 29th of May, good thing leeks are not claustrophobic. The dimension is about thumb size, so not quite ready yet. A closer look at these leeks, and there are some that are ready for harvesting. So it's that time that I should be able to harvest a few of these. So as I was trying to pull this one out, I accidentally snapped it, and some of the leek was left behind. No worries, got plenty more to harvest. Another week goes by, and let's see if we remove this leek completely without damaging it. It has seemed to come out right. Can definitely use this to make a delicious dish. That's it for our leeks journey. If you've enjoyed following along, I have a Buy Me a Coffee account. Your small donations can help me fund more exciting projects like this one. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all my gardening adventures. Until next time, happy gardening. Before you go check out my other videos, there is something for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced gardener.
Feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you have found this video of interest, and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.